All right, guys, and we are live. So what's going on, guys? It's Stockmarketchuy, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're just going to talk about a couple of different things. But before we get started, make sure you guys join the free. All right, my bad. Sorry, guys. But like I said, make sure you guys join the Discord. There's always new people joining. Like today, we had around 11 new people join, and then as you guys know, we're always talking about finance. We even have a finance major in here, so make sure you guys check it out. And then make sure you guys like and subscribe as well. So then that way you guys don't miss out on future lives or videos that I do. And then if you guys are struggling with selling options inside the stock market, make sure you guys join the membership. It'll be the first link down below. And it just says get my trades and then membership. So make sure you guys check that out. Also, I do have a course on there. So then if you don't know how to sell options already, you guys can learn how to sell options already or how to sell options. But alrighty guys, without further ado, today was a red day. So let's see what we did. And honestly, I'm happy for this red day because we've been having way too many green days and they've either been green or they've been like slightly red. So glad today we're actually down quite a bit. So for the 1 week, down 1.5K. For the 1 month, down two or up 2.6. For the 3 months, 10.8K, we'll call it, and then up 31K year to date. And for the 1 year, I'm up 32 or 40K in this account, and then the retirement account for today, let's see, down quite a bit, down 2.7% or $463. For the 1 week, down $543. For the 1 month, down $900 basically. 3 months, I'm up 2.5K, we'll call it. Year to date, down up $3,000. And for the 1 year, up almost 3.9K. And yeah, that's how we are doing inside these. And then today I rolled one of my options. And usually I don't roll my options on any other day besides Monday, but today was a red day, and I did sell a cash card put. I think it was like 2 weeks ago on SSO. And let me see what it is. All right, it's this bad boy right here. So this one I rolled it out from, it was at 91, and then I rolled it out to 89, and then they gave me $40 to roll this option, and then here you go. Just so you guys know I'm not lying. Estimated credit $40, and here we go. Like I said, I rolled it from 91. This was the date it was set to expire, but I rolled it out to 11/15 and 89. So I rolled it down $2, and then I rolled it out 2 weeks. So then that way I have a little bit more time, and then I'm probably gonna close this one out just because I do have around 30K in margin on this account, so I want to make sure that it's lower than that. I want to make sure it's like around 24K or under. So then that way, if things like go underwater or things don't do as well, I can within 3 months I'll be able to pay all of the margin off with ease. But all right, Caesar, gotcha. I remember. I think you're the same person that joined the Discord and followed me on there, so I do appreciate you, Caesar. You're a real one. But yeah, that's why I decided to roll today. And like today, I'm probably not gonna buy anything. Um, I was thinking about buying QQQI just because I thought their ex dividend day was tomorrow, but it's actually today. So I can't exactly um, do that because their ex dividend day was today. So I won't be getting the shares. So instead, probably on Monday, I'm just gonna add more onto JEPQ. Currently, I'm expected to make like around $120 on JEPQ. That's considering that if because the way that I calculated it was, let me show you guys. So I know their lowest dividend was 0.34 if it decides to load. And then I have on this account, I have 233, we'll call it, times 233. And then on this account, I'm set to make around $79 as long as it stays at that 34 cents. But they've been paying out around 52 to 56 cents within the past 4 months. So hopefully it sticks at that. But I always like to play it conservatively because, yeah, that's just the way I am. Is there any fees to make a Robinhood account? No, Caesar, it's completely free to make one. So honestly, I would say you should make one if you don't have one already. But guys, also let me know what kind of questions you guys have, anything that I can help you guys out with. And today Tesla earnings are going to be here. So I won't be live because I do got to go somewhere. But let's see, where's my Tesla? So with Tesla, I actually have quite a bit of money on it. And this is TSL. It's whatever Tesla does, it does 2 times that. So this one is extremely volatile. Like, let me just show you their 1 month graph. Actually, 3 months. Like, it went as high as $14.49, then dropped to like $8, and then it went back up to around $14, and then it's back down again at like $9. So this one, you really have to. It's very volatile, to say the least. So I have 9 cash secured puts at, or 8 cash secured puts at $9. I have 2 cash secured puts at 7.5, and then I have 10 at 9.5. So I have quite a bit of money in this. And then even if Tesla goes down, I can always roll these options. So that's probably what I will do if it goes down. I'll probably kick the can down the road by a month, but obviously we won't know until after the earnings are. So, like I said, hopefully Tesla doesn't tank, but if it does, I have a plan of action. Just because you really have to make sure that you have a plan before you get into any one of these trades. So yeah, I have quite a bit going on there. And then yesterday I bought a share of Starbucks, but I decided to sell it and not get into Starbucks just because I did see the graph and it looks like not many, like their revenue is still going down. So here I will show you guys. We'll look at Qualtrim, and then bear with me, guys. Give me 2 seconds. S-Bucks. S-Bucks. So here's Starbucks. Here's their revenue, and then it hasn't really been growing that much. So that's one thing that I really don't like. And then here is their KPI. And their active members is closely going back up to all-time highs, but not quite there yet. They're still opening up a lot of stores, which you would think that their revenue would keep going up if they're having more stores. So that's why it's worrying me a little bit that that Starbucks hasn't grown their revenue that much, or it's actually even declining. Because if they're growing their stores in high amounts, then why isn't their revenue like following? I would understand like if their net income or earnings per share or their free cash flow didn't follow, but the revenue I think would follow it because that's quite a bit of stores to be opening, to not have that much of a change. But at least they're cash flow positive, so they'll be able to maintain their dividend, and then they even raised their dividend. It's at 61 cents now. It was at 57 cents, but now it's at 61 cents. So there's that. And then one thing that I do like is their shares outstanding are going down by a little bit, but they do have quite a lot of debt and capital leases, which I don't personally like, but they are in the restaurant industry or beverage industry, so not really that bad. But yeah, that's the only thing that does worry me is their stores are going up, but their revenue is not. And I'll have to take a closer look at their numbers just in case. I thought they said same store sales was down 10%. Holy, I didn't know it was that bad, dude. Thank you, dude. I appreciate you. Yeah, dude, I'm so glad I decided not to buy it. And then I sold it for a $3 gain, though, is what I will say. So let's see. Call me the master trader. Let's see where they're at now. Oh, they're positive still. So yeah. I wonder what they're okay. Starbucks shares are trading lower after the company reported earnings decline in Q4, resulting in same store sales. The company also suspended 2025 guidance. Yeah, but then they do also have a new CEO as well. So yeah, hopefully they do well. Caesar, there are no fees, but they want you to start with something from your linked bank account. Yeah, true. I'm not happy that Robinhood doesn't have access to all the cryptos. Yeah, dude, me neither. I wish they had they have like very limited amounts on crypto, which they probably like don't have any of the riskier ones. But yeah, I'm the same way. And then let me know what kind of cryptos you guys hold. I was thinking like I do want to get into crypto, but I kind of want to do it like inside a stock form. So like BIT. BITO. What am I doing? BITO. So this one obviously doesn't mimic Bitcoin like at all, but here we go. November 8th. And then if I were to sell a cash secured put, and this one also, they give you quite a bit of dividends as well. So like, let's say I did a 17, they would give me $51 in net credit, and then I would have to pay $1,700 to earn that credit. And they also do pay a very good dividend as well. BITO, yeah, dude, exactly. Oh, okay, thank you. Nah, dude, thank you for the question. And then I used to have them, but they used to be at $30. So thankfully I did sell, because I think like their NAV is eroding, because they should be like around the same price as Bitcoin, but they pay out quite a bit in dividends. Let me see if it'll show me on here, because I don't think it does. Oh, yes, it does. So let's see, where is their dividends? Yeah, like look at their dividends. And they used to be at $1.77. Now they're at $1.09, which honestly is still quite a bit. They're giving you a whole bunch of dividends, and you can sell options on it as well, like I was saying to you guys. So honestly, this one probably would not be a bad one to sell options on, since you can sell weekly options. So I could do the November 8th, buy 100 shares of this, pick up $26, and then get the dividend as well. But I don't know where their ex-dividend date is. So I will have to check that out a little bit later. I don't want to do it now just because, like, I don't know what it is, but as soon as I hop out of this, like from Robinhood or the calculator or anything like that, or Qualtrim, my computer starts to run very slow, especially while I'm on stream. So that really doesn't help. But yeah, I don't know if I should do it or not. I want to keep on buying Celsius just because, I don't know. Personally, I think Celsius is just going to keep doing amazing. And then even if they're not, I can always use it as a tax loss at the end of the year. Let's see, sell options, sell put. And then if I decide to do November 8th, and then let me see when their earnings are as well, because I have no idea. I know Tesla reports earnings today, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But I don't know who else reports for this week. Let's see, where is Celsius? No, it's somewhere around here. See, and then right here it says that their fair value is $36, but obviously you can't always trust the reporters or the people that make these. Expected November 5th. So November 5th, before the market opens, that's when they will do that. I'm buying Cano GE. All right, here, let me check it out. Let me Qualtrim. Let's see. Go EV. Oh my goodness, dude. What are you doing? Personally, yeah, I'm not even gonna look into it. Sorry, dude. Got into TSL at 13.5 a share, but I was planning on doing in the money covered calls, so my cost basis is like 9.9. Just annoying. Yeah, dude, I got you. I do know what you mean. But dude, this might be a buying opportunity. Hopefully, I don't know if I want Tesla to go down or not. Like, I do want it to go down, but then I look at my portfolio and a lot of it will be red because I do have quite a bit on there. So like I said, I have quite a bit cash good puts on this one, and then I have more down here. So I have nine cash good puts, or 15 cash good puts at $9. So I have quite a bit of money into this. But obviously, who knows what Tesla will do after hours when they're reporting. So make sure you guys keep me updated as well, please. And then make sure you guys join the free Discord as well if you guys aren't on there as well. I just want to go into my 10.5 calls and get rid of it. Gotcha, dude. But alrighty, guys. Any more questions, comments, or anything else I can answer for you guys before I do go? And then also, Palantir, I'm glad the market's actually going down, because it's not even going down that much, because Palantir is still at like $43, $42.50. Let's see, 11 days until Palantir reports earnings. Dang. What a crazy next like month it's gonna be. Let me know what companies you guys are holding as well, and what stocks that you're excited that are going to report earnings. So far, like basically all of my shares are either have covered calls or I want to get more of those shares, so I sell cash secured puts. And then yeah, here we go. I was just thinking about this one. So this one right here might go in the money, because Celsius right now is at 30.75, and then there's still a week and 2 days until the contract expires. So hopefully, I don't know if I want it to go in the money or not, but if I did want to roll this one out, let's see, 15. They would give me $128 for extending it out from 11/1 to 11/15. So I'll probably will do that, but hopefully, I don't know what Celsius is going to do once they report earnings. But make sure you guys stay tuned so that way we can see how the portfolio is going to do. But alrighty, guys, it looks like nobody has any more questions, comments, or anything. But really quick, let me see when they report earnings. Oh, that's right. I already looked at it. November 5th. Actually, before we go, I'm going to look at all of the stocks that I have to see when they share their earnings with us. Oops, too far. All right, and this one, all right, Palantir. Spirit Airlines. Let me check them out. So he said thoughts on Spirit Airlines, good premiums. Solid was up huge today. It's probably because they're not going bankrupt. No, I'm just kidding. I have no idea how Spirit is doing. Spirit. Is it this one? No, Spirit Airlines. Oh, that's what Save is. Dang. It's yeah, I think it's probably because they're not going bankrupt. Let me see. Save Spirit Airlines. Dang, dude, look at this. Oh my god. Imagine shorting the stock and how much money you got. But the revenues are climbing. Probably, yeah, dude. It's because they were probably about to go out of business. Net incomes are going down. Earnings per share is down. At least their shares outstanding are pretty much the same. Yeah, dude, it looks like they were about to go bankrupt. That's what. Oh, okay. They might do a merger. That's what it is. Let me see how Delta's doing before Delta. Personally, this is the airline that I always use whenever I do go anywhere. Revenues are still going up, so that's good to see. EBITDA, at least they're free cash flow positive, so that's good to see. Net income is positive as well. Earnings per share positive. They just have a lot of debt, but their dividends are growing, so that's good, right? And then the shares outstanding, they're going up a little bit, but not too much that they can't handle. Realty income has always been, dude. I love realty income. Like this one, I don't have that much on here, like inside of my Robinhood account, but I do have a lot more inside my M1 Finance portfolio. That's where I have a lot more money. And then I also have what's the other one? A public portfolio as well, but that one only has like $700, so that one is not as big as this big portfolio. But I do have, I don't know how many shares I have on there, but yeah, I do have some shares of realty income. I love realty income. And then have you seen ADC as well? They're doing very well too. This is one of the companies that I bought into at the beginning of the year, and so far they've been doing very, very good, especially the last 3 months / year to date. But let's take a look at their numbers really quick, because I haven't fully looked at their numbers in a while. Dang. Yeah, this is why they're going up. Look at the revenues going up steadily. EBITDA's going up. Free cash flow is going up as well. Net income's going up. Earnings per share is going up steadily as well. The only thing is, obviously, they're going to have a lot of debt just because they're in. Wait a minute, that's not right. There we go. Obviously, they're going to have a lot of capital leases just because they are in the real estate sector. So I understand that, and their dividends are going up month or year after year. So I do like that. Only thing that, like, this is super common inside REITs, but their shares outstanding are going up quite a bit as well. But hopefully they'll be able to refinance their debt, and yeah, hopefully they'll be doing better. But what is PHM? I've never heard of the stock. Let me see. One here. Dang. Let me see if they're gonna keep growing. PHM. Oh, that can't be right? No, that has to be wrong. I think something's off. This one I'll have to get back to you on, because this graph doesn't look right, because I don't get why their numbers would be negative by this much, and the revenue's negative, so that really doesn't make any sense. So I'll have to get back to you on this one. So let's see, PHM. Yeah, dude. I'll have to look into it. Obviously, I'll have to look at their balance sheet and all that. But yeah, dude, thank you. Appreciate you. Yeah, it is wild. But alrighty, guys, I do gotta go. Make sure you guys pray for me for Tesla's earnings later. Just because I really don't know what they're gonna do. Like I said, hopefully, like the best case scenario for me would be that they stay like the same, around the same area. So then my covered calls, no cash could puts get breached. But obviously, I always have a plan. And then you guys have to have a plan as well whenever you guys do sell options, just in case anything does go wrong. But alrighty, guys, this has been everything. And like I said before, guys, make sure you guys join the free Discord. Make sure you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you guys like the content, make sure you guys check out the other lives as well. And if you guys are struggling with selling options, make sure you guys check out the first link down below. You guys get my trades. You guys get the free selling options course for beginners. So that will all be there for you guys. But alrighty, guys, thank you guys all so much for watching. This is the longest I've done in a while with a live. Oh, good luck, boss man. You got a new watch. You just subbed, and we'll tune back in. Thank you, dude. I appreciate you. And then, yeah, all right, thank you. How often do you go live? I try to go live at least 5 times per week on the YouTube channel, and then on TikTok, I like to go live 7 times per week. That's the plan, anyways. Wishing you the best. Wishing you the best of goodbyes and solid puts. Thank you, dude. Appreciate all of you guys. Thank you guys all so much. And I'll see you guys later. Peace out, guys. Thank you. Peace.